Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make my daughter's most favorite braised pork leg tonight. Yeah, I have about 1.5 kg of pork leg here, cut into big chunks. I gotten the seller to cut into big chunks. Then I actually blanch it for a couple of minutes. Yeah, you must blanch your pork leg because if you don't do so, it will be very gamey. Yeah. So how you blanch a pork leg? Very easy. Prepare 1 pot of cold water, put in a few pieces of ginger and a bit of rice wine, then put the pork inside the cold water, bring up the heat, let it boil for a couple of minutes, then you take out the pork leg and wash off the scums. Done. That's how simple it is. By doing so, you're going to remove at least 90% of the gaminess from the pork itself. Then let's look at our ingredient here. I have some 5-spice powder. This is some premixed braised herbs. Gotten it from the Chinese herbal shop. This is few pieces of fresh coriander roots, some ginger, shallots, and also garlic. This is 1 piece of cinnamon stick, some bay leaf, and about 2 pieces. Actually, my star anise broken, but it's about 2 pieces of star anise here. 2 tablespoons of raw sugar. Then you will need some salt, some premium light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some Cooking Appa chicken stock powder for those who have it, Shaoxing wine, some premium fish sauce, and of course you need some water. Yeah. First of all, let's heat up some oil. Once the oil is heated up, let's saute all the fresh herbs. The ginger, the fresh coriander roots, the garlic, and the shallot. Let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Already very, very fragrant. So all this is going to further remove the gaminess from the pork leg. Yeah. Once you start your ingredient here started to brown, this is the time where you can actually add in the water. I'm adding in approximately coming to 2 liters of water here. Should be enough lah, huh? Right, while it is on the way of getting boiled, let's give it some seasoning right now. First of all, some premium light soy sauce. 4、5、6、7、8 about 7-8 tablespoons. I'm putting a lot of water here. There's 2 liters of water here. Then some dark soy sauce. Some free sauce. Some Shaoxing wine. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, or any Viet Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. I'm putting in the dried herbs, yeah, the cinnamon stick and all. This is the premixed herbs, braised herbs. I'm going to give it some 5-spice powder, 2 tablespoons of raw sugar. This is optional, but good to have, either fried shallot or fried garlic. So let's continue, bring this to a boil. This is our braised broth. Right, while waiting for the broth to boil, I have already put all the pork leg, blanched pork leg, and also eggs into my stainless steel pot, for the inner pot for the pressure cooker. The braised broth has been boiling for a couple of minutes. I'm going to move this over to the inner pot, together with the ginger and oil. Yeah. All right, I don't need all. I think I have probably about 200 ml left. You can see all the ingredients inside is submerged under the broth, which is good enough. And always remember, whenever you're using a pressure cooker, there's always a maximum limit as you can put. Yeah, so we're just going to put this into the pressure cooker. All right, put it in, lock it. Okay, I'm going to use high pressure to cook it for like 30 minutes. If you want it to be softer, it can be 40 minutes to even 45. To me, 45 is too soft, too tender. Somewhere between 30 to 40 minutes is good enough. So just let it do its job. Right, we still have a bit of pressure inside. Let me release it. Wow. My whole house smells 5-spice braised pork right now. The pressure valve has just dropped. Now we can, wow, oh, super fragrant. Here's our braised pork. Oh, look at the tenderness of the skin. This is what I'm looking for. I still like, I like it to be tender, but I want it to have still a little bit of bite feel, yeah? Not too, not the melting type of tenderness. I don't like that. You can still use a bit of salt and sugar to adjust to taste, yeah, if you want. If not, it's basically done. So I'm going to take it out. So here's my very simple braised pork leg tonight. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.